So we'll go on now with the initiations. A few devotees here who are going to be initiated and accept me as their link to the acharyas in the Brahma Madhva Gauriya Vaishnava Sampradaya. And always remember, you have so many helpers. We're all helping each other. Those who have helped to bring you in, those who are helping you to stay in. So it's Hari, Guru, and Vaishnava. Krishna, Guru, and all the devotees. Tadera Charana Sevi, Bhakti Shane Bas, Janame Janame Hoy, Eyobilash. Worshipping the lotus feet of the 6 Goswamis, living in the association of devotees. And we can go on like that, life after life. Hare Krishna. I'm giving names that Srila Prabhupada gave. So you'll get the name of a disciple of Srila Prabhupada also. That's for the men. For the women I finished the names. The Prabhupada disciple names. They're just a few more which I'm keeping. Is that dot underneath correct? Come back a little bit, yeah. I don't think it should be a dot there. And check and see, but I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be. Yeah, please say, what are the 4 regulated principles which you promise to follow?
Intoxication, no illicit sex, no meat eating, no gambling. And I vow to chant 16 rounds daily minimum, the mantra.
All right. Hare Krishna. Charu Deshna Das. Then you have to say who's going to come next. You already said? Did you call? Who's coming next?
Yeah, okay. She's paying away.
Okay. Okay.
And next, please be ready. Bhakti.
And that's it. Is it? Anyone else? Oh, I see. Okay.
No illicit sex, no meat eating, no intoxication, and no gambling. And I will chant minimum of 16 rounds of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra daily.
All right. Charana Das. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yeah, please say.
no gambling, no meat eating, no intoxication, no illicit sex, and I vow to chant minimum 16 rounds of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra daily.
Jai. This name was chosen by your great well-wisher, Falini Mata. Actually, she gave me some name suitable for you. Tungi Devi Dasi. You all right there? He needs a chair. You gonna be all right for 1 minute? All right. So please.
Pranam Gurudev, Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. No intoxication, no gambling, no illicit sex, no meat eating, at least minimum 16 round rest of my life every day. Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Jai. Padma Mukhi Parameshwari Devi Dasi. Hare Krishna.
No illicit sex, no gambling, no meat eating, and no intoxication, and chanting minimum of 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra every day.
Stavya Das. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Have you got the list for me so I can see? Do you have the list? You can give it to me afterwards.
No intoxications, no meat eating, no illicit sex, no gambling. Minimum 16 rounds daily.
Akhila Das. That's it. Then one Mataji for second initiation or two?
Two Pancharatra. I got the letter.
Okay. So when am I going to see them?
The yagya will happen right after this.
Well, there's a yagya now.
Maybe I can have them come at 4 o'clock.
Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,